products that are out there, and these companies are pushing them clearly for their benefit. But don't worry, I got you covered. In this video, I'm going to show you guys my 5 favorite must-have essential products that you should buy on the keto diet. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Damaris, also known as Oh She Knows Keto, and here is where I document my keto weight loss journey, and along the way I'm giving you guys my tips, tricks, and secrets to my weight loss success thus far. So if you're into that sort of thing, make sure you subscribe because I am letting all the secrets out. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys my top favorite keto products. So I'm going to be honest with you guys, only one of these items on this list is absolutely necessary. The other 4 are not necessary, but these are things that will help weight loss, will help you along the journey, and you'll see what I mean in a second. But if you ask me, all of these things are must-haves. These are things that are essential on the keto diet. There's so many things out there to buy, but if you just stick to these 5 things, very inexpensive, I'm sure you'll be good. I'm gonna be listing everything in the order of importance, so if you are on a strict budget, try to get the things from the beginning of the video because those are the things that will be the most essential, and towards the end of the video, those products will be less essential. So the first product I'm gonna tell you guys about is the most essential. If you guys are on keto and you only got $5 in your pocket to go food shopping, like this only costs probably like $2. Okay, that was like so outrageous, but you guys know what I mean. This is very inexpensive and I love it. This is ground pink Himalayan salt, and guys, first of all, can I have gotten it any bigger? This thing is huge. It's literally the size of my head. I got this from Costco. I don't know the price, probably like $5 maybe. I'm the wrong one to tell you the price of this. This is extremely important on keto, especially, oh my god, I can't emphasize this enough, especially when you guys are starting. When you start, most likely you get a thing called keto flu, and when you get a keto flu, you're gonna just feel very lethargic, you're gonna feel foggy, you can't think straight, you're just gonna feel all blah, and that is because your body is low on electrolytes, and these babies right here replenishes your electrolytes. I used to use it every day. Now I don't use it every day. I'll use it in my food, and I also use it after a workout because I'm sweating a lot and my body needs salt. So pink Himalayan sea salt, a must. You don't have to get this. Any of these brands you don't have to get, by the way. So my second product I'm going to show you guys is my favorite product for beginners, hands down. Like the sea salt is not my favorite because it tastes disgusting, but it's necessary on a bodily function type thing. But these babies are my favorite. This is the brand I'm using this time. I change my brand like every time. The brand doesn't matter. What I do is when I go on Amazon, I just usually buy the Amazon Choice or the bestseller. Anyway, so these are ketone testing strips, and why I love this, especially when starting keto, is because of the confidence boost it gives you. I bought these before I started keto and I got into ketosis in 3 days. Now I can get into ketosis clearly way faster. I first bought these, well, not this one, but these testing strips before I started keto. So when I started them, I had them and I got into ketosis in 3 days. And the thing that this does is it's a confidence booster, let me tell you, because by when you pee on your strip and then you see that you're in ketosis, like, all right, I'm in the right direction. Like, I'm literally just living my life, burning fat, and you know whatever you're doing is working. And the minute maybe you go out to eat dinner or whatever the case is, at least this is going to keep you on track. So 8 months in on my keto journey, I don't use these constantly like I used to. In the beginning, I used it every single day for like the first month and a half to 2 months. Just to make sure I was in ketosis. It was more psychological, but now I believe and I'm sure I know what I'm doing now, so I only use these when I think I messed up. So this is very important. All in all, my third favorite product is MCT oil. If you ask me, I do think it's essential, right? But none of these are technically essential, but I do love these so much. Why? Because these are an appetite suppressant. So this does make you feel full longer. you know, and also it gives you energy. Well, both of these give you energy. I'm gonna tell you the difference between these two real quick, but I absolutely love MCT oil. I started out with this one and I loved it, but I heard like ranting, raving reviews about this one to make like bulletproof coffee and blah blah blah. Now I'm not just gonna get into details because this video will be super duper long, but I do want to tell you guys this one is like $20 for this little one, and this big one was like $24. 30 ounces, 16 ounces, so they're about this is about half of this size. And I'm gonna tell you guys right now, I understand that everybody's pockets are not the same. Will I be purchasing this product again? Probably not. This, absolutely. One, because it's cheaper and I eat it every day, and this goes way faster. I'm getting more for a cheaper price here, and I don't think the differences between them are worth it. In fact, I like this better. I feel like this gives me more of an energy boost than this. This one is supposed to be for like mental clarity and stuff like that, and I feel nothing. When I drink this, in my personal opinion, is like drinking avocado oil. Like there's no like immediate difference. I feel this, I do. I just wanted to make that clear. So all in all, MCT oil, bottom line, just make sure you don't get the crappy one. Oh, I meant to tell you the most important part. This goes straight into your liver and produces ketones faster. So, oh, and a public service announcement, do not drink this on an empty stomach. Also, if you're starting out with this, do not drink 1 tablespoon. It says 1 tablespoon. Do not drink 1 tablespoon. Your stomach kind of got to get used to it. And if not, you're going to have diarrhea. So my next product, again, it's a keto favorite. It is a food scale. This one was probably like $10 maybe, I don't know. I can't remember, I bought it so long ago, but I do remember it just being the best seller on Amazon or Amazon Choice. Like literally any product I got off Amazon, like that's what it's gonna be. So I'm not gonna say, oh, I love this scale. You need a food scale so you can know exactly how much you're eating. If you use cups and stuff like that, measuring a cup of strawberries, like if the strawberries are small, if they're big, depending on the shape, like it's not exact, but weighing your food is exact. And you know, especially trying to lose weight, you have to stay under certain calories, you have to stay under certain carbs, you have to eat certain amount of fat and protein. So just, especially in the beginning, just to be exact, that is a must-have. Okay, so my last and 5th tip is so not important. This is actually a personal preference. I want to give you a story before I tell you what it is. I love barbecue sauce, and on keto you can't have barbecue sauce because it's extremely high in carbs, unfortunately, but I got you guys covered. I absolutely love barbecue sauce, guys. Like, you have no idea. I don't think you understand how much my heart loves it, especially like barbecue sauce and mayo. I know that sounds weird, but that is my jam. Do not judge. We do not judge on this channel. With little to no carbs in this, and it makes your food taste like barbecue. And I have to be honest with you guys, this one is not my favorite, but this one is the most accessible. So my favorite one is on Amazon. It's by Magic, like that big chef guy. He's on the label. Barbecue sauce is my favorite. But this one is super duper good and it's just accessible, so yeah. So there you have it. Those are my 5 favorite keto products. And I recommend over your keto journey to definitely try to purchase everything except the barbecue seasoning. But everything on that list, I do feel like it was essential in my keto journey success. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're into all things weight loss and keto, make sure you subscribe to this channel because I'm giving away all my juicy secrets. And if you want to get to know me more, there's some links in the description box for you to check out. And lastly, if you know anybody who wants